New developments in the fight over school funding in the state of Kansas. 41 Action News anchor Cynthia Newsom is live in the newsroom with the very latest. Cynthia, we're just finding out what the Supreme Court decided.
We are indeed. We're just reading through the report. The Kansas Supreme Court ruled that the latest funding package from state lawmakers is not adequate. However, they are giving lawmakers another year to come up with more money for public schools in Kansas. Now, I talked with Superintendent Fred Dirksen, who admits he was surprised that Kansas justices did not stick to the June 30th deadline to make sure that funding for all public schools was adequate and equal. Now, this all means that parents do not have to worry. There were concerns in Kansas that some school districts would not have money to open this fall. That is not the case. Schools will open as scheduled this fall. Dodge City, Kansas public schools were plaintiffs in the lawsuit against state lawmakers. Again, I talked with the superintendent on the phone, Fred Dirksen, who said that he's glad lawmakers are getting another year to get it right.
I had heard them say before they didn't want to keep kicking the can, but I also have had a chance to preview the ruling, and they did give credit for the effort that has been made, and I think that's very respectable, and I admire them for that.
All right, so here's the deal. Kansas lawmakers added an extra $500 million in school funding over the next 5 years. DeSoto schools will get an extra $1.8 million this coming fall. Kansas City, Kansas public schools, who also challenged the school funding plan, will get an extra $4 million this coming fall because of increased enrollment there. We'll have much more on this Kansas State Supreme Court ruling on school funding coming up tonight at 5, 6, and 10. Cynthia Newsom, 41 Action News.
All right.